I'm here with Ingo.
Yeah, that's right.
Sorry. From Graphenea. Can you tell us a little bit about Graphenea and your company and your products?
Yeah, sure, absolutely. But Graphenea is a company who was founded 5 years ago, and our main objective is to produce graphene. We use two different methods of production. One of them is what we can see here is chemical vapor deposition. We produce film. Here I'm showing you this is a film deposited on silicon substrate. This is made using a copper foil as a catalyst. We grow it there and then we transfer it onto the substrate. The other method of production that we have is chemical exfoliation. What we get is graphene oxide. Here, after reducing it, what we get is a powder format. This is reduced graphene oxide in powder format. It has different applications from the other kind of graphene that we do. This is more oriented for electronic, optoelectronic, and sensor kind of applications.
Okay.
And this one is more for composites, like with polymers, ceramics, and also for printed electronics.
Okay. So, what sort of products do you see these in the future moving forward?
In the near future, probably in 3 years' time, the first product that we will see hitting the market will be composites, either polymers or ceramics, and also printed electronics.
Okay, great. And what do you think the opportunities for the market, and what's your view on the graphene industry at this point in time?
Well, right now, Graphene is still focused on research, so most of the effort and the money is put into researching. Obviously, it's moving slowly, but in a good sense to developing. So now there are some applications that are having good results, and they are trying to have prototypes that work in a real environment. And after that, it will come the commercial applications.
Right. And there are other events out there that host graphene conferences and trade shows and networking opportunities. How does this event compare to maybe some of the other ones you've been at, and how are you finding this event?
I mean, for us, Graphenea, as I said, we've been 5 years in the market. We have traveled around the world. We have seen many different events. There are ones who are very scientific and are very interesting, but from the point of view of business, we think Graphene Live is the best one that we attend. We've been attending for the last 4 years in California, in Santa Clara, and here in Berlin, and we are always very happy with the kind of attendees and contacts that we do here.
And how are you finding the synergies of the different emerging technologies at our event?
Well, I think it is very interesting the way that the organization is focusing this, because they put together different industries, but they have synergies, as you said, among them. So attendees who are really interested in one of them are interested in the other. So people who is looking for printed electronics is very interested in what is developing with graphene, for example.
Thank you very much, and we hope you have a great event here in Berlin, and we appreciate your feedback and comments.
Thank you.
Thank you.